In this video, I'll show you how you can unblock your eToro account. Now, the most important thing is we need to find out why we have been blocked. Now, these are some of the most common issues. So either it's because you didn't complete your KYC, suspicious activity, failed deposits, multiple login attempts, or because you broke some of the rules. Now, when you get blocked, you'll be able to see why the reason was. So just figure it out. Now, if this was the reason, or this one, what you should do is you should give them all their the documents if they ask for it. And then it's important that you contact the support. So you want to contact them, and then you want to ask to be unblocked and what you need to do to become unblocked. So they're going to tell you what you need to do to be unblocked. And once that is done, you're just going to give them your information, and you just have to wait until they review it. Now, keep in mind, if you got blocked because of some weird stuff that you've done, if you broke the rules, you might not be able to be unblocked. But if it's any of these up here, you can still get unblocked. I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.